Today, I'm on the north side of San Antonio in a new construction community, and we're about to tour a 4-bedroom, 3.5-bathroom home that has been reduced by $50,000, and now it's under $400,000. So let's check out what we're gonna get. Okay, so this home does have brick as the exterior. And leading up to the front door, we do have a few steps and a very small porch area. The door does have some iron railing and a keypad entry for the door. So as we enter into the home, we do have our foyer and an open area that could be used as a sitting room or an office space. Okay, so as we go into the home, we do have our open concept of our kitchen, our dining area, and living room area. So starting with the kitchen, we do have white cabinets with black hardware and a grayish black backsplash that does kind of accent the gray that's in the granite. So this is our walk-in pantry, and the cabinets are 42-inch. Let's look inside them right quick. Okay, our appliances are by Frigidaire. And our island does have a farm style sink with black hardware. We also have a charging pad and an outlet. Okay, so right off of the kitchen, we do have our dining area that kind of flows into the living room. Have pretty spacious walkway in between, but we are gonna check out our mudroom, and right under we have a storage area, and this is our garage. But before we go check out the garage, we're gonna look at the accent tiles in this laundry room that are like a black and white, and we have our built-in shelf above where the washer and dryer would go, and a half bathroom on the first floor. Okay, so we have a coat closet. And we do have a few steps that lead down the garage, but inside the builder has installed a garage door opener along with a sprinkler system, and it is pre-plumbed for a water softener, and on the other side of that wall is the hot water heater. Okay, so before we go and tour the primary bedroom that is located on the first floor, we're gonna check out the backyard. So we do have a covered patio. And the backyard does have a slope. There's 3 planted trees in the back. And it looks like the house is 3-sided brick, and the back has the boards. Okay, so the stairs are hidden in this home because it's right on the other side of this wall. But before we go upstairs, we're gonna tour the primary bedroom that's downstairs. And it does have the double vanities with white cabinets with the gray countertops, the walk-in closet, and the tile is like a light gray color with a little accent peaks of cream. And we have a walk-in shower and the closet. Okay, so like I was saying, this home has been reduced by $50,000. So it's coming in right under $400,000. And the builder does have some incentives right now with interest rates in the 3s and the 4s, depending on which option that you choose. So if you're interested in that, all the details will be in the description below. And as we go up the stairs, we do have our open loft area that is actually very spacious. It feels like it's the width of the house. So it goes all the way around. And this is our first bathroom. And the tub, shower, and the toilet are separated by this door right here. Okay, so this is our first bedroom upstairs. Let's check out this closet. And it's a walk-in closet. This is our second bedroom. Okay, and so on the other side, we have our third bedroom for upstairs. And another closet. Okay, and this does have an ensuite, which is a nice touch. And our walk-in closet. So if you are interested in this home, it is still available. So feel free to check out all the details in the description below. And if you're relocating to the San Antonio area, feel free to check out my relocations guide. You can download that by clicking the link below. And as always, if you have any questions, just reach out. My number is 830-369-1776. Thanks for watching.